The environment is changing, and the challenges of the future are already upon us. We can't afford to continue building the way we have in the past, with structures that fail under extreme conditions. We can't take for granted the quality of the air we breathe indoors. We need sustainable construction now. That presents many challenges, but those challenges can be met. You just have to follow the right ideas, wherever they lead.
Greenlink is an idea company, but our ideas are derived from contractors, architects, and specifiers. There's all kinds of equipment that clutters flat roofs all over the United States. Some of it's obsolete or broken. Our mission, if you will, is to have an engineered system that was designed for different kinds of equipment and is done in such a way that it's going to be extremely durable. We're a green company. We do nothing that's going to damage the environment or do anything to compromise the integrity of the buildings that we work on.
At Greenlink, our products are designed from the ground up and manufactured in-house. We make installations easier, safer, and more sustainable, all while increasing the lifespan of life-protecting equipment, from pipelines that carry fuel and water, to mechanical installations that make buildings safer and more comfortable, to solar arrays that deliver green energy. The innovations that come from our product designs often spark ideas for new challenges to tackle. There are nearly 6 million commercial buildings in the U.S., and each one has a roof. But with rooftops out of sight, they're often out of mind. Roofs not only uphold equipment critical to a building's comfort and safety, they also bear the brunt of extreme weather. Most of these mechanical systems are well engineered, but too often the technology holding them in place is less so. This is not an uncommon sight. Critical supply lines resting on wooden sleepers that rot over time. We decided to change that. Introducing the Knucklehead. Deceptively simple, but rich in features. The Knucklehead has a universal base that attaches to a range of heads. It's designed to elevate pipes, mechanical equipment, and struts to keep everything high, dry, and secure. We call it knuckling up.
The Knucklehead is actually made of glass reinforced nylon. It has a UV stabilizer package in it. The physical strengths are very similar to that of aluminum, where it has over 20,000 psi tensile strength, 7% elongation with 3 foot-pounds of impact, with the 275-degree continuous operating temperature, 500-degree melt, and can be recycled. The universal base fits all the heads, and then we have 2 sizes. We have one that is 28 square inches, the other one is 128 square inches, so that's our big base. The reason for the 2 is stability, because most of these are loose laid, or they can be bonded or adhered with our adhesive to the roof membrane.
A way to secure rooftop installations using only adhesive without penetrating the roof membrane? There's an idea. Our engineers followed it, formulating an adhesive sealant that bonds the Knucklehead base to the roof membrane with 245 psi holding power and no screws necessary.
The adhesive is a very critical element because most roof manufacturers, their warranty, they don't like the idea of penetrating the membrane. Penetrating means putting a screw through it to anchor it down. So the adhesive actually solves that problem. It attaches in place. It has extremely high properties in terms of its bond characteristics. It is also moisture cured, solvent free, so it's very much environmentally friendly. And you're going to get properties that are going to be greater than the membrane itself in terms of bonding it down and holding it down.
Contractors often loose-lay block-type supports to elevate pipes and equipment. These are typically composed of low-grade crumb rubber with an attached strut section for accommodating accessories. But the rubber degrades from heat and weather and pollutes when disposed of at the end of its life. Our engineers reconceived the support block as a single unit. Meet the Metalhead.
The Metalhead is Greenlink's alternative to other block-type supports. It's extruded from a single piece of anodized 100mm aluminum. It has an integrated strut channel which is compatible with all standard strut hardware, allowing for out-of-the-box solutions for your support needs. The extruded design creates an open block style which allows for water pass-through and lets this piece weigh only 2 pounds, adding very little weight to your rooftop while being incredibly strong. In laboratory testing, the Metalhead could withstand up to 10,000 pounds of crush force. And we like to think the Metalhead will long outlast your roof.
For larger installations in places threatened by extreme weather, rooftop pipelines and equipment can be secured with strut. It all begins with another Greenlink idea, the Stanchion, the stalwart heart of Greenlink's frame systems. This section of galvanized strut comes with a twist. Literally.
The Stanchion is unique. No one in the world makes anything like it. We take standard strut and we mold a block onto the bottom of it, which screws right into our universal base, and there's a steel coupling inserted in the block. Strut frames come in kits and they're ready for assembly. The kits come in a 3x4 or a 4x4. Everything is included. The nuts, the bolts, the washers. All you have to do is open the box and assemble it. We have two different styles. We have an elevated and a non-elevated. Each one of the equipment support stands can handle up to 2,400 pounds. Each universal base is capable of handling a load of 600 pounds. All of our equipment support stands can accommodate all manufacturers' equipment.
We're always thinking up something new, guiding the implementation of each stage of production with the support of our trusted local partners. From design to delivery.
We are an idea company. Greenlink has the most versatile, durable, and cost-effective system for supporting equipment and pipes anywhere in the world. The key is listening to your customers.
We take pride in our contractor-driven culture. Providing them with support is paramount. When they tell us what they think, we listen.
When we started working with the Greenlink team, we took them up on our roof, and they actually identified some problems that we didn't even know we had. And one of the biggest problems was most of our HVAC units and gas piping laid on treated lumber. The treated lumber, it draws moisture from underneath and it never dries out. Greenlink's products don't hold moisture, they don't draw moisture, so they're ideal for a metal roof. I would recommend Greenlink to anyone who needs to maintain their roof. Their customer service is great, and they can custom make their products to meet your needs.
Greenlink, an idea company, always looking for the next big idea to build a more sustainable future.